Hey guys, it's Alex from Tremor Digital, and in this video, I wanted to go over some results that we've been able to achieve running Facebook and Instagram ads for some local healthcare practices, running lead marketing, getting leads, getting them new patients. We'll go over the results and a little bit about how we were able to do this. And also, if you are a local healthcare practice, if you wanted to have us run ads for you, feel free to click the links in the description. You can book a call and speak with me directly one-on-one and see if there would be a good fit. Or if you're an agency owner or if you're running ads for yourself, you can also consult with me in a coaching mentorship fashion and learn how to run your ads better. And you can also book a call with me to discuss that in the link in the description. So with that being said, guys, let's get into some of the results here. This was literally just yesterday. We were able to get $3 cost per lead, got 11 leads, spending $41. And this account, we've been able to pretty consistently get really cheap leads. And really just going into it, the way that we were able to do that is we've been running ads for a while on this account specifically. So this account is very warm. We've spent tens of thousands of dollars on this account for this exact client. And so over time, we've just been able to chisel away at the efficiency of these ads and kind of just get them even more and more and more efficient because things are just mega optimized at this point. And ultimately, if we started off with, say, 5 different treatments or angles, right? Maybe a couple of the ones that weren't doing as well, we eventually turned those off and we kind of narrowed in on the ones that were doing well. And now we've just been able to kind of cruise with these winners. Typically, when we're running ads for a healthcare practice, we start off with multiple treatments or angles that we're going after or patient subpopulations. So, say in chiropractor, right, we're doing a general new patient versus neck pain versus decompression or whatever the case is, right? So we're doing multiple different treatments or angles. And then over time, we're kind of narrowing in on what's working the best. So if general new patients is working the best, we'll turn off the other ones or allocate more budget towards the general new patient ones. And if there is a certain ad creative image that's doing really well, we might turn off the other ones or make copies of that winning creative so that we have multiple similar kind of images going in that winning format. We're kind of just narrowing in on what's doing the best. We're scaling that up with spend and we're turning off the ones that are not efficiently using that spend. So this was just yesterday. Maybe we can go to the last 14 days. So guys, as you can see in the last 14 days here, very similar. We got 80 leads at $4.30 a lead. And so yeah, things are going really well. High flow, high volume. What we're running in this case is an in-app lead form. And then the last step on that lead form is to call the office directly. So our office, our client is going to be getting a mix of inbound form fill inquiries or leads. And then some of those leads will actually call the office directly right after filling out the form as well. So if they get, say, 10 leads, they might also get, say, 5 inbound phone calls right then and there as well. Okay, that's typically what we see. And so, yeah, as we said yesterday, it looks like they got 11 leads. So throughout the day, they're getting leads, they're getting notified, and then maybe they might have gotten, say, 5 or 6 inbound calls that day as well. So that's great. And our in-app form, guys, has a couple questions on it, just qualifying them financially and that they have the actual problem or interest that the ad is targeting, making sure that the inquiry is legit. So it's a moderately qualifying in-app form. So it's not making them run through a gamut of, say, 10 questions, but it's not just an autofill name and phone number, right? We do get a couple of pieces of qualifying information just to make sure that it is relevant, and then they're able to submit and we'll reach out to them or they can call us directly. So that's kind of the funnel that we run. Also, we do a dynamic creative, guys, where we have a basket of creatives where we're able to put 5 to 10 creatives in there and let the ad algorithm rotate through those, allocate more budget to the ones that it thinks will perform better, and kind of show ads to people who it thinks are more likely to convert and rotate those dynamically. So after a little bit of spend there, we'll kind of analyze the results and see which creatives are doing well. We can do breakdowns and go from there. And that's how we do our analysis. And we go over all of this, guys, in the agency coaching program. So if you wanted to work with me directly on that and learn how to analyze your ads, when to scale, when to cut, etc., feel free to click that link in the description. I'd be happy to help. And let's get on to some of these other results here. So In this other account, guys, we are also spending for another clinic, and in this case, we got 157 leads, $8 a lead. We got a couple of these high performing tags as well, because in this case, as you can see, we're getting, you know, a lot of leads, 39 leads at $6 a lead, 34 leads at $2 a lead here in this one. And this has been going on for a while, guys. So if we go to the last 30 days, we spent $260 in this ad set, 112 leads at $2 a lead, $600 in this one, 57 leads at $10 a lead. So yeah, these ads are just crushing, guys, getting leads day in and day out. Very similar setup here. Couple questions on an in-app form, moderately qualifying to an inbound call. So our client's getting a mix of a lot of leads and then some inbound calls as well throughout the day. Everything's tracked in our high-level CRM. And yeah, we're just cruising along here, guys, and things are looking good. And so yeah, guys, if you did want to learn more about this, about these strategies, go in depth, go in detail, click the agency consulting link in the description. Or if you wanted me to run ads for your clinic, I'd be happy to. Book a call in the description. We can chat and see if there would be a good fit. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. On my channel are some other videos going into detail about how to set these ads up. I do some live tutorials and some other example videos. So today's just a case study video and talking about the high level strategy and how we were able to get these results at a high level. So yeah, feel free to check out some of the other videos. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.